Good morning, everyone. This is the project name as Power Consumption Prediction basis of CNN and LSTM model. So in here we use the main two parts of this project are Arduino Uno and also the Raspberry Pi. So this Arduino Uno is connected with the ACS710 current sensor and also ZMPT101B, this one is the voltage sensor. These two are connected to the Arduino, and by Arduino it will be data transmitted through the USB cable to the Raspberry Pi. So in here this extension board is connected with these two sensors. For this one is using for we want to measure the real-time values, and with that values basically we want to predict the future consumption like that. So in here we can show that two appliances are connected in here. One is mobile charger and one is the soldering stick. So in this one the Arduino is continuously taking the real-time values, that like how much power is taking, how much current is consuming like that. So with the if we connect more appliances like that, the power consumption and current is also increasing. So that data is transferred by USB cable to the Raspberry Pi, and with the help of the ML model, the Raspberry Pi will predict how much the current will consume in future like that. So in this project, this Raspberry Pi predict only for next 1 hour how much the current is like, how much current we will consume like that, how much power will consume. So that one is based of current real-time values of the current and power. So with that prediction, and it will the Raspberry Pi will predict the next 24 hours how much power we will consume in that block. Also in here there is two graphs we are plotting. One is the real-time values and other one is future prediction graph. So in real-time values it will continuously taking the values by timestamp. So which time I think in 30-second gap it will plot the graph and predict the next 1 hour consumption. With that power consumption it will predict for the next 24 hours and it will print in the that plot. Now we will see the output of this project. So now when I run this code, now it is started successfully. So in here we will show the now the timestamp, and also this 233.0 is the voltage and 0.103 is the current and 23.89 is the power. So now you can see there we will connect one mobile charger in here, and I connected with mobile. So at that time it will measure the how much current and power is taking, and also with the ML part it will predict the future. So now we can see that in predict 51.99 and 0.23. This one is the 59.99 is the power of the coming 1 hour. So it will predict the future power consumption of coming 1 hour, and this is also current day. So in here we also updated the graph. The real-time values means it will updating the real-time graph, and also there is one future 24 hours plot.png means that from the base of this 1 hour prediction it will predict the next 24 hours. So now I will connect one more soldering gun to here, so we can change the, we will see in here. Okay. So now we can see that the power is also increased, current is increased. Okay, so in the voltage will be same for every appliances. Also the power and the current is varying. So now we can see that 0.3 is the ampere using, and also 81.99 is the power. So in here this soldering gun takes 60 watt, that's why it's showing like that. So in here also it will update the real time values of the graph, and also by basis of this and this all data will goes to the CSV file, and that CSV file will compare with the ML part and predicting the future current, how much consuming is taken. Okay, so now we will see the future and real time plot. So this is the real time current consuming plot. So in here this one is the voltage. We can see that this one is always constant, like in between 200 and 300, and like it's like showing like 230 and also 230, 240, 250 in the range. And also this one is the power. So now this one is the, in this x-axis it shows the timestamp, and y-axis the value. So in here we can see that the power now. So so this region we only use the mobile charger, and this one steep is come because we will use that one soldering stick also, and this orange line is showing the current. Okay, now we will see the future prediction. So by the basis of this voltage, this current and power, it will predict the next 24 hours power. So in here now this one is the power. So with using this much power, it will predict like that. After 24 hours, power may be like above 60 watt. Okay, so this is the prediction. So it will change by in between 2 minutes, because of it will take continuously real time values, and that real time values compare with the ML, and with that only it will predict the next 24 hours power of otherwise power consumption. Okay, so this is the working and the output of this project. Okay, now this is the LCD display we using in this project. So it is used for the, I also said like that, to print the output in here. So this one is the predicting value for the next 1 hour. So that one is a similar we see in the terminal of the Tony. So that one is also printed in the LCD screen.